Om Sri Mahaganadhipataye Namaha. Hi my dear friends and my dear students. First of all, belated happy Pongal. Today I am going to explain you finding the zeros of a quadratic equation by using Vedic method Vilokanam. As I said before, Vilokanam means telling the zeros by observation. By looking at the problem, immediately we can say the zeros of the given quadratic equation. So, let us explain this concept with the help of an example. X plus 1 by x is equal to 37 by 6. See, if you see this equation, in general, what we will do is, we will take LCM, then we will get x square plus 1 over here is equal to 37 by 6. Then we will do cross multiply. 6x square plus 6 is equal to 37x. Then we will reduce that equation into general form. Then by splitting the middle term, we will find out the zeros of the given equation. This is general. Now how can we say the zeros of the given equation without doing all these things? So for that, first what we have to do, we need to observe the given equation. We need to observe the given equation. Immediately we can get an idea that the RHS part that can be written in the form of 6 plus 1 by 6. Or simply we can write 6 1 by 6. You can split the RHS part like this. So here x plus 1 by x is equal to 6 1 by 6. So what we can say then, x value is 6 or 1 by 6 immediately. X value is 6 or 1 by 6. Simple. Let us consider one more example. Let us consider one more example, that is x by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x is equal to 82 by 9. Yes. See here, when you observe the LHS part of the equation, both are reciprocal to two terms, they are reciprocal to each other. X by x plus 1, x plus 1 by x. If you observe the RHS part, we can write it as 9 plus 1 by 9 or simply 9 1 by 9. So we can say that either then x plus 1 by x is either 9 or x plus is 1 by 9. Then when we simplify this, x is equal to 9x plus 9, then minus 8x is equal to 9, x is equal to minus 9 by 8. Here 9x is equal to x plus 1, 8x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 8. Simple. Once again, you observe this equation, x by x plus 1 plus x plus 1 by x. These two terms are reciprocal to each other. And this is 82 by 9. We can express this number also like the 9 plus 1 by 9 or 9 1 by 9. So these two are also reciprocal to each other. Then what we can say? This x is either 9 or 1 by 9. If x by x plus 1 is 9, then x value will be minus 9 by 8. If x by x plus 1 is 1 by 9, then x is equal to 1 by 8. Let us consider one more example. One more example. See here, x plus 4 by x minus 4 plus x minus 4 by x plus 4 is equal to 10 by 3. And here also you can observe that the first term in the RHS part, LHS part, and the second term both are reciprocal to each other. The first term in LHS part and the second term both are reciprocal to each other. Now we have to think in that way. This number on the RHS part we have to write as the same manner. So that is 3 1 by 3. 3 plus 1 by 3, which is 3 1 by 3. So what we can say? X plus 4 by x minus 4 is either 3 or x plus 4 by x minus 4 is 1 by 3. Now, here if you do cross multiplication, what we will get? X plus 4 is equal to 3x minus 12. Then x minus 3x is equal to minus 16, because when this plus 4 will go to that side, it becomes minus 16. So minus 2x is equal to minus 16, x is 8. And here if you do cross multiplication, 3x plus 12 is equal to x minus 4. Then 3x minus x is equal to minus 4 minus 12. So 2x is equal to minus 16, x is equal to minus 8. So x is either 8 or minus 8. So my dear students, if you want to solve the quadratic equations of this type, simply you can observe the Sutra Vilokanam, means by observing the terms in LHS and arranging the terms in RHS in the same manner. Then you can find out the zeros in an easy manner, rather than taking LCM, simplification, then transforming the terms here and there and getting confusion, and all those you can avoid if you observe the given problem, means carefully. Okay, concentrate, see. Once again I am telling here, the LHS, see the two terms, both are reciprocal to each other. That means you need to express this number like same. Then the problem will be easy. Otherwise, you have to do tedious work to find out the values of x. So my dear students, I think you understood this concept very well. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Dhanyavad.